CCTV recently confirmed that the J-35 is catapult ski jump compatible, meaning it can operate from both the Fujian carrier with electromagnetic catapults and the Liaoning and Shandong carriers with ski jump decks. This compatibility is crucial as both the Liaoning and Shandong, being relatively new carriers with decades of service ahead, require continuous combat capability enhancement through stealth fighter integration. Converting ski jump takeoff aircraft to catapult takeoff is more challenging than the reverse. Catapult-launched aircraft can achieve ski jump takeoff capability with sufficient engine thrust and optimized center of gravity. The J-35's multi-role design makes achieving this dual compatibility easier. Both the Shandong and Liaoning carriers will now carry these stealth fighters,